Hi Metro Properties family, I'm Lian Castañeda. Today I'm going to give you a house tour, but this time it is a condo unit here in San Francisco Garden. The place is strategically located along Boni Avenue and very close to EDSA. So you're just 5 minutes or less to EDSA, to Megamall, to Robinson's Galleria, and you're also a few minutes drive to Makati. So this is condo living with all its conveniences, and we'll show you the exact unit. So stay tuned for more of the property. San Francisco Gardens is a stunningly modern residential project developed by Empire East Land Holdings. Strategically located along Boni Avenue, corner Sacrepante Street, it's a site you couldn't afford to miss going to EDSA. Inside this residential haven, you can completely forget the hustle and bustle of the city life. It is a mid-rise 6-tower condominium unit, a refreshing sanctuary with Zen-inspired vibe and rich greenery. The clubhouse offers you a private venue for your special events. And yes, you can also choose to have a refreshing dip with your family and friends in this inviting pool. Walking along the vicinity is like a relaxing walk in the park. So go ahead, stroll and lounge around to your heart's delight. San Francisco Gardens is an address you shouldn't miss. Beautifully designed landscape, refreshing ambience, modern amenities, and its strategic location. Inside, you'll forget about the city life, but as you step out, you are close to everything you'll ever need. Banks, salons, supermarkets, your favorite restaurants, malls like Robinson, Shangrila, and Megamall, and yes, even major thoroughfares like EDSA and MRT station. Now that's a powerhouse of an address for you. Now it's time for us to have a closer look at this beautiful 3-bedroom unit that is for sale. This unit has a floor area of 88 square meters, spacious enough for a family of 4 and a helper to live comfortably. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 maid's quarter that has been converted to a dirty kitchen and laundry area, 3 toilets, and of course, not to forget your very own parking slot. Being home to the owner's lovely family for years, this unit reflects the owner's exquisite, simple yet elegant taste in interior design, making it uniquely different from the other units. Experience easy condo living with this sleek unit for your fast-paced modern lifestyle. No large areas to clean, everything is within reach, and the right size promotes a very closely knit tie with your beloved family. The airy, well-lit spaces and minimalist design promises a refreshing vibe to its new owners. By the way, this comes fully furnished. You can have all the furnitures except the piano that has a sentimental value to the owner. You can enjoy everything you see on this video, plus add your own personal touch to make it your very own. Just imagine the happy memories you can start making in this homey unit with your family and friends. So that has been our featured property for today. It's a homey, well-loved by the family condo unit in San Francisco Gardens. It has a floor area of 88 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilets, 1 maid's room, and of course, 1 parking slot. And by the way, it is strategically located just along Boni Avenue in Mandaluyong City. It is very near to EDSA. Actually, it's walking distance to EDSA. It's walking distance to wet market, to grocery, to commercial places like Robinson's Galleria, Megamall, Shangrila, even the Makati Business District. And the asking price is only 6.5 million. So be the first one to view this property. Give us a call at 0921-212-9686 for Smart or 0956-511-0819 for Globe. Also, please do follow us, like, share, subscribe via our Facebook page and YouTube channel, and that's Metro Properties PH. So before I leave you, I want to share this beautiful promise of God from the Bible, that is, seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things shall be added unto you. Yes, even the property that you've long been wanting to buy. So that's it for me for this episode. Hope to see you again in our next episode. Please do take care. God bless you and stay safe. Bye!